Windows might be a great operating system, but it's not invincible. When things begin to go wrong, and they will, there's a lot you can do to fix it yourself. If you can, open up the Settings window. Right at the bottom you'll see the Update and Security options. Open these up. Here Windows gives you a lot of options. You can select any of them from the left-hand side. First thing you could try is updating Windows. This will sometimes repair corrupted files. Windows comes with its own antivirus protection. Not only is it free, but it's also better than many of the commercial versions, so there's no real need to buy one. There's also the option to back up your data, and if you've not done this, you really should. There's nothing worse than losing all your files, your pictures, and your data and not being able to recover them. There's also an option to troubleshoot a whole range of problems. But what we want right now is the recovery option. Recovery gives you two options. The first, resetting the PC, reinstalls the Windows operating system, either keeping your personal data and files or removing them and giving you a clean start. This is a fairly drastic option which we could try if the Advanced Startup option fails. But first, we're going to try the Advanced Startup. Selecting Advanced Startup reboots your PC into a recovery mode. There are three options now: abandoning the reboot and exiting to Windows, troubleshooting, and simply turning off your computer. We're going to use the troubleshooting option. Again, this gives you the option either to reinstall Windows, which we don't want to do quite yet, or to select some other advanced options. System Restore is really a rollback option to a previous Windows state. You'll get a number of options if there are a number of restore points. It's a good option if a recent software installation has caused you a problem, but again, we don't want to try this quite yet because it may lose recent applications. The System Image Recovery option allows us to reinstall a complete version of Windows, including all our files and data, from a system image that we created earlier. Again, great if you've already created one and you don't mind losing the work you've done since you made the system image. But we're going to try Startup Repair. Very often this will work for you and won't put your data at risk. A word of warning though, you should have a complete backup of your data before using this or any other option. Startup Repair asks us to select the account we want to repair. I've only got one account on this computer, so only one option is presented. Select it and you're asked for the account's password. For this demonstration, I've not created password protection, but on a working account, you should always password protect. Select Continue, and Windows will start a diagnostic process which may take a while to complete. In this case, Windows tells me that it couldn't repair my PC. That's not because it was irreparable, but simply because there wasn't anything wrong with it in the first place. But if there had been, it would attempt to repair any issues that the diagnostic program had found. It will also give you a report in the form of a log file. You can copy this log file to a forum or send it to an engineer if you're still having difficulties. Windows helpfully allows you to select advanced options again, taking you back to the three options we saw earlier. If the diagnostic program failed to mend the startup issues, the next thing you could try would be a system restore. This shouldn't lose any personal files or data, but it does risk losing recently installed apps. I don't want this, so I'm going to cancel the operation. And if all else fails, you might need to reinstall Windows. Again, I can't emphasize enough the need to have a complete backup of your data before you choose this or any other option. Windows comes with a very helpful suite of repair options that you can try yourself before calling for outside help. Often, simply running Windows Update will fix the problem. But now you know how to access other repair options. And if you're really stuck, you can call eTop Technology. We're here to help. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, check out some of our more recent videos. And if you're looking for a new IT partner, please visit our website.